Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon MegaTank Pixma G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to scan documents on this device. To scan documents, you should have the program on your PC or on your mobile device. So, in the complete with this device, you got the CD disk with the drivers and application. So as you can see, for OS Windows, the same app you can find in App Store on macOS devices too. And you just should locate the paper card. You should locate the document you wanna scan on the scanner glass. Then click Scan, save to PC, and just click Local USB. And on this way, your scan will be saved on your computer. Or of course you can do it online. So if you connected with wireless network to this printer using Canon drivers, so your computer will be displayed here too. But if you wanna make it using mobile application on your smartphone, on your Android or iPhone device, so just open the application and firstly check do you connect it to the printer or not, and then just click Scan. Choose settings, of course, and click Scan. Okay. Wait a while. Cool. That's it. As you can see, this is my scan. So as you can see, the quality of scan is very good. It's really good, and it works as you can see. So now I can share this image like JPEG, like an image, or I can save it in PDF, for example, and now I can share it or print. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.